What's up, guys? Tony Rican here, and today I'm going to throw down with the perfect food for a get-together. I'm going to be making some Buffalo Ranch chicken pull-apart bread. You know exactly what this is, don't you? That's right, this is awesome. So let's just go and get started and jump right into this one. Remember, guys, if you love all the cool content I'm putting out here on my channel, the easiest way to make sure it keeps on rolling and help the channel grow is just to hit like and share on this video. Drop a comment down below, then go ahead and subscribe and share my YouTube channel. That way, every Monday and Friday, you'll get a brand new, really cool, simple recipe just like this Buffalo Ranch chicken pull-apart bread. Which to start, I have my oven preheating to 375 degrees. Then I'm going to take my bread, I'm going to cut it so there's little 1-inch cubes. Once that's all sliced up, I'm going to take some olive oil, a little bit of parsley. I'm going to dice some garlic and green onion and mix that in there. Then I'll take this and brush it into my bread. In a bowl. Once I have that all brushed, in a bowl I'm going to mix my cream cheese, ranch dressing, and buffalo sauce. Then I'll add in my chicken, half of my cheddar and half my blue cheese. Then we'll go ahead and stuff this into our bread. I'm going to shred a little more cheddar, add a little more blue cheese. Then I'll go ahead and pop this in my oven for about 25 minutes. While that's in the oven, I'm going to go ahead and make a dipping sauce. We're going to take some sour cream, a little bit of parsley, some dill, onion powder, garlic powder, a little apple cider vinegar. Then I'm going to go ahead and chop up some pickled jalapeños. I'm going to take a couple of tablespoons of that brine and mix that in there. And then a little bit of salt, mix it together, and my dipping sauce is done. And that's it, guys. Our cool little appetizer is done. Just take a look at how it came out. It freaking looks awesome. That bread is nice and toasted. All my cheeses are melted. But you know, we can't just look at this. I gotta grab a little piece. Let me find a good one here. Rip it off. Dip it in my dip. And give it a try. Sorry about that giant mouthful. This is freaking incredible. You guys are going to love it. It's the perfect little party food. So go ahead, like, share, comment on the video down below. If you need complete step-by-step printable instructions, check out AverageGuyGourmet.com. Head over to my Patreon. Consider subscribing for even $1 to help this content keep rolling out. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this one a try, and we'll see you guys next time.